Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is the single most abundant element in the Earth's atmosphere. Approximately 70 to 80% of the atmosphere is made up of nitrogen. Nitrogen is a life-sustaining element, important for the continuation of life on Earth. It is an essential part of amino acids, which are important for human metabolism. Nitrogen is also one of the components of proteins. It is also a major chemical in nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. Chlorophyll too is made up of nitrogen compounds. It is found inside chloroplasts in a plant cell. Without chlorophyll, carbon dioxide would never be recycled back to oxygen. The process starts with nitrogen fixation. This is the process responsible for processing atmospheric nitrogen, such that they are usable by plants. This process may occur in different ways. Lightning in the atmosphere fixes atmospheric nitrogen to a certain extent. However, most of the fixation is done by bacteria, which contain the nitrogenase enzyme. This enzyme combines inert nitrogen gas and hydrogen to form ammonia, which is further converted to form organic compounds. Rhizobium is one type of bacteria that fixes nitrogen. It resides in root nodules of legumes, like beans and pea plants, forming a symbiotic relationship with the plant. Here the bacteria exchange ammonia for carbohydrates from the plant. This ammonia is used for chlorophyll formation. The next step in the nitrogen cycle is assimilation. Plants take in nitrogen compounds from the soil. Animals, in turn, obtain nitrogen compounds by eating plants. The next step is ammonification. When a plant or animal dies, or an animal produces waste, this waste is initially organic in nature. As we discussed earlier, organic compounds contain nitrogen. Bacteria and fungi act on these compounds and convert the organic nitrogen to ammonium. The conversion of ammonium to nitrates is performed by bacteria such as Nitrosomonas in a process called nitrification. Other bacteria, such as Nitrobacter, convert ammonia to nitrates. The reduction of nitrates back to inert nitrogen gas forms the process known as denitrification. This process is carried out by bacteria such as Pseudomonas and Clostridium. These bacteria are anaerobic in nature, and the process of denitrification too is carried out anaerobically.